everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make bulletproof hot cocoa. For this recipe, you'll need 1 can of coconut milk. Get the full fat kind because it has that layer of cream on top and that makes this really, really good. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. 1 ounce of chocolate. This is a Lily's chocolate bar. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of stevia glycerite, all in here, and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. You'll also need can opener, whisk, and a blender bottle or an actual blender, and a bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and start by opening up the coconut milk. I see all that cream in there. You would not get that if you had the light coconut milk. Just stir that together and combine the cream and the milk. So now what we'll do is we'll just pop this in the microwave for 30 seconds to a minute. This is the chocolate I'm using, the Lily's stevia and erythritol sweetened. This is the caramelized salted one. It's gonna give a nice sweet and salty quality to your cocoa. Now we're just gonna add the rest of our ingredients. Now I'm going to pop it in the microwave again for another 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now grab your blender bottle. Or blender and pour the mixture in there. Put on your lid and give it a nice shake. So before you open your blender bottle, get a paper towel and open it because you're gonna have some hot steam that accumulated. It might spit on you. And it's ready. This is probably gonna be the most decadent cocoa you've ever had. You can tell it's kind of thick. Let's give it a taste. Oh wow. That is really, really good. It's so chocolatey. All right, today was just a quick video as it was cold outside and I wanted some cocoa, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.